Hi, beautiful people. Shall we make some stuffed plantain? I have with me here my plantain. I have washed it nicely. You don't want to use overripe plantain for this. The plantain has to be hard. Even this is a bit too ripe for me. I've already washed this nicely so that I don't transfer the dirt from the peel onto the main plantain. I'll cut it into three, sprinkle some salt over it, and then shake it. While I'm doing this, I'm heating up my oil and then I'll just go ahead and fry this nicely. Once it's done frying on both sides, I'll take it out, place it over a rack or a paper towel so that all the oil will drain from the plantain. While I wait for that to happen, I'll just go ahead and cut up some green bell pepper, tomatoes, onions, and I also took out the seeds from scotch bonnet pepper for some extra heat, okay? And I'm adding that to it. I'll add some salt and sprinkle some pepper as well and give this a nice mix. I have also grilled some chicken earlier on. There's some leftover of that, and so I'll be taking out the leftover, taking out the bones from it, and then I'll be using that to stuff my plantain. Now I'm placing some parchment paper over this tool that we use to squeeze some lemon juice. Mine is broken, but it still works. And I also placed some parchment paper on top. I'll press it down, and then once I open it, I get the shape that I'm looking for. Now it is important that I use the parchment paper because my plantain is a bit soft, and if I don't use that, it's likely to stick into the device and just make my work very difficult. Once I'm done sorting out all of them, I'll just put my leftover chicken in there, put my vegetables, and also grate some cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. I'll grate that and then spread that on it as well. I'll heat up my oven and then bake this in my oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after 10 to 15 minutes, we have this. It's very ready, very delicious. You should definitely give this a try. If I'm to do this again, I'll probably add some sauce to it. I feel like it's missing a bit of sauce in there. So you can try adding some sauce if you want, but this also tasted great. Thank you for watching. Support me by liking, subscribing, and share. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Bye.